Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you for being here. Hope you're doing great. So today I'm going to recreate the Chick-fil-A chicken minis, yum, and the Chick-fil-A sauce. So what inspired me to do this is because, I don't know if this is where you guys are at, but where I'm at, every Chick-fil-A has a line where you have to wait like 40 minutes. It's ridiculous. So I'm like, I can't. Plus I think the closest one to us is, I mean, it's not far, it's like 20 minutes away, but so I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna make it myself. So let's do it. Let's go. All right, so we're going to cut a chicken breast, maybe two, and just into like bite-sized pieces, like so. And just toss them in this bag. Yeah, we're gonna do, yeah, we will do, oh, maybe one. It's up to you guys, however many you want to do. But I think I'm just gonna do one chicken breast, actually, since we're making little sandwiches. So now we are going to just marinate these in a little bit of pickle juice. And no, it doesn't taste like pickle. So you want to marinate it for about an hour. So while this marinates, let's make the sauce, because that needs to sit in the fridge for about an hour also. All right, so for the dredging, we're just going to take one egg and about a half a cup of milk. And then we're going to do, I'll whisk that up, but let's do the dry. So we're going to do half a cup of just plain breadcrumbs and half a cup of flour. Come on. And then we're going to do 1 teaspoon of salt. And a half a teaspoon of pepper. And then I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Okay, so we're going to mix all those up, and then this is what we're going to dredge the chicken in. Okay, so I just put all of the chicken in the milk and egg mixture. I'm just going to dredge it really quick, shake it up, place them in there. You'll just need a couple minutes on each side. They cook fast. And then we're going to drain it on a rack, that way they don't get soggy. Okay, now we'll just pour some of this delicious Chick-fil-A sauce. It'll literally taste just like it. So good. All right, you guys, there it is. Hope you try it. It's so good. Especially this, oh my gosh. But that's all good. All right, you guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.